back to the video. Time to put the head on, everybody. Yay! What, you're not impressed? Whatever, I don't care. Anyways, time to put the head on. Okay, so how do I put the head on? Okay. It says attach the head with IR sensor, which I have no idea how to attach the head.